What if your car could listen to you, answer you, and help you while you drive? Today, I am reviewing the Echo Auto, and I want to show you why this small device can make driving easier and more fun. It is built to bring Alexa into your car. With a slim design and 5 microphones that can hear you over music, air conditioning, and road noise. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am talking about the Echo Auto. This is a hands-free Alexa device for your car, and it works through the Alexa app on your phone. You can connect it to your car speakers with Bluetooth or an aux input. First, I really like how easy it is to use while driving. I can ask Alexa to play music, make calls, set reminders, and even help with my smart home. I do not have to keep touching my phone, which makes the drive feel safer and smoother. It also supports music and audio from services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, Pandora, podcasts, news, and Audible books. One thing I like most is how useful it is for busy people. I can ask it to check messages, share my ETA, or help me stay on track during the day. I also like that it can help control smart home devices, so I can turn off lights or check my thermostat even when I am away from home. Another good thing is privacy. The Echo Auto has a mic off button, and Amazon says you can view, hear, or delete voice recordings anytime. That gives me more peace of mind. Now, I should be honest. This is not a magic device for every car. It works best when your car and phone are compatible and your setup is done the right way. But if you want Alexa in your car, this is a smart and compact option. Amazon also notes that it uses your phone's data plan, so that is something to keep in mind. So my final review is this. The Echo Auto is a small but helpful car gadget. It makes driving easier, keeps your hands free, and adds Alexa to your car in a simple way. If you want a smart co-pilot for daily drives, this is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.